See how she's looking in my eyes and you gotta kill for that. She's a beautiful girl and she's into me, but I'm too busy still looking back. Now I'm walking her to the door, trying to kiss her goodnight, but something inside just don't feel right. My friends tell me don't give it up, so I've been trying to move on, but my heart's still caught and my head's not clear of the pictures from before you were gone. And I never wanna hurt no one, trying to forget your name. Something inside just don't feel the same. No, she's not you, and I don't know what to say, but I'll say it anyway. No matter what I do, I can't believe the lie, and I just can't see it through. No, she's not you. I woke up in the middle of the night, started reaching for the phone. Had to take a breath and remind myself that you said you needed